Alright, we're gonna feed Rex. Alright. Hey, you gotta hold it with 2 hands. No, you've gotta...
Lay it flat.
Hey, lay it flat.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. You're welcome. Whoa! It's okay. He'll pick it up.
Keep going. Bring it over here. Bring it over here.
Say sit. That's it. Okay. Good job, Junebug. Oh, baby girl, are we eating yogurt? Hey, use your spoon. Junebug, use your spoon.
Please use your spoon.
Use your spoon, baby girl. Oh, that's so good. Good job. Learning how to use utensils.
It's hard.
It is hard.
Hard to do.
Hard and messy.
Yes. It's very messy, unfortunately.
Oh, baby girl. Hello. On this episode of Basement Barber.
Basement barber.
Do. So, we're gonna try to clean this mess up.
We'll try.
So, there you go. It is.
It's really
Very messy and long.
out of control.
It is slightly out of control, yes. So we're gonna see what we can do about this. Wish us luck. Perfect! All fixed!
All done!
All done! There you go! All done!
That would be terrible.
No. All done.
No.
Hey, there's the bumpers! There's Rex! He's so confused! What's going on?
What are you guys doing?
Nope.
Sounds weird.
There's the aftermath
Of one side.
of one side.
That's
Yay!
it. You got a good Rey from Star Wars look kind of, with
Exactly.
your bun here.
Eh? So, almost done, or halfway done.
Yeah.
Not almost, but halfway.
Not almost, but
So, yep. There you go. It's all good now.
it's your new look.
My new look.
We'll take the ponytail out.
Hello. I don't think I showed off my hair. Hey.
Ooh,
The wife did a really good job with it.
I tried.
She did really good. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Boom, doom, doom, doom. Whatever. Hey, but we seem to be missing somebody. I can't remember if we said that or not, but she's with Nana. We got, what, how many days? She was Friday? So Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night? Yeah, Sunday night. She'll be back tomorrow. So 3 nights without June.
Kid-free weekend.
Kid-free weekend. It's awesome. Thank you, Nana.
Yay. They're loving it. Nana and
So.
Pap and June weekend.
Yes. So now it's time to have some lunch, even though it's like 3 o'clock. So lunchtime. And now this is what we went out to get for lunch. We have to see if it lives up to the hype. I am skeptical. Rex is very interested. Huh? Does you want some Cane's chicken? Okay,
No.
bye.
No Raising Cane's for you.
So first look at this. first there was coleslaw, and neither one of us eat coleslaw.
We're not fans of
Wait,
coleslaw.
no. So, but these strips are kind of small to me. Like, that's kind of just my initial take on this. Bread looks good. So, and there's cane sauce. So, all right, time to dig in. So, take 2 of this whole clip that we thought we were filming. The camera shut off, and I was like, why'd the camera just shut off? Because the battery's fine. Yeah. Oh, because it wasn't doing anything.
Clearly see the red light now. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so.
Definitely recording now.
Anyways, here's our review of Cane's for the second time, but it's only the first time for you guys. So, what did we say again last time? I don't know. I would have it again. Does it live up to the hype? I don't think so. Sorry, Ryan Stroop. I would eat it again, but I think it was good. Don't hear me say that it was bad, but I think part of where I thought it would be, because it's been hyped up and this, and it was just okay. It was good, you know. It's you can't even talk about it being the same as Chick-fil-A. You just can't, because nothing is as good as Chick-fil-A. Let's be honest.
I disagree.
Chick-fil-A is worth the hype. And if you don't believe me, look at the lines trying to get Chick-fil-A, and look at their service, because they move way faster than Cane's does. So just saying. But anyways,
I liked it. I thought it was good. I wouldn't say it, is, mind-blowing or, amazing, but it was really good. I think that it's about on par with Chick-fil-A. That's what I would say. Because
God's gonna smite her.
No. Because I think that Chick-fil-A gets hyped up a lot and sometimes doesn't live up to that.
See,
but
Chick-fil-A can live up to the hype.
Sometimes. But yeah, I enjoyed it. It was definitely a lot of food. And it was tasty. I liked it. I would eat there again.
So there you have it, folks. There's our review. So here's our winter wonderland now. The sidewalk was clear Sunday night. So this is all what we have gotten since all day Monday and through Monday night. So now it's time to clear off my truck and get ready to go to work.
Because it says downtown Disney. Check that out. So this thing must
Sunday afternoon nap time. Pump up. Oh, there's a big yawn. And we're watching the Tim Tracker. Definitely check them out on YouTube. Baby girl, are you enjoying the movie?
Yes.
We're at another drive-in movie. We had some Ruli's Pizza and enjoying a drive-in movie.
Do you like it?
Yeah, huh? No, don't bite it. You gotta lick it off. Show Mama your mouth.
Oh dear.
Say ah. Ah.
Stick your tongue out.
Can you stick your tongue out? Ah. Ah. Do it to Mama. Ah.
Oh no. Do you remember this candy from childhood? Fun Dip.
Fun Dip. This is color changing.
Ooh. Such a bad influence. Nah. Just waiting patiently to get some.
More, please. There you go.
That's so much.
I'm not giving her much more. Huh? Alright, that's it.
Do you like it, June?
Is it good?
Did you like it?
No.
That's
Okay.
all done.
This is it. This is it right here.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
All done.
Gone. All gone.
All done.
Oh, monkey jumping on the bed.
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 3 little monkeys jumped on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. I know. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Don't do it." Oh, is Tortuga listening to our story too? Okay. Excuse me. So, 2 little monkeys jumped on the bed.
Hello. We just got back from church, and this one's a hot mess. She's all whiny. What, baby girl? What is the problem?
She's hungry and she needs a nap.
She's hungry and I need a nap. You're okay, baby. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Rex says it's okay. It's okay. Hi. Why don't you build something? Are you gonna build something with your Legos? Should we build something? Yeah, can you open it? Good job. Good job. Are you gonna build something? Oh, look at that, already built, huh?
That was from this morning.
Huh? Yep. Oh, don't need that part, evidently. Hmm? Sarah's making our lunch. She's such a nice wife.
I'm preparing.
I love her. Well, preparing it, warming it up from the other night. You know, leftovers, spaghetti.
I love you.
Love you too. And there's a holiday tree. Good job, baby girl. You're getting really good at building with these Legos.
Loves Legos. Current favorite toy.
Yep.
Sure. Stitch sunglasses.
Baby girl, what you doing?
I'm trying to accessorize here.
Accessorize? You putting a hat on? You got your Stitch glasses?
This doesn't.
Upside down. Turn them over.
Here, this way. Look, like that. Look at Daddy.
Hey, look at me. Yeah, those look so good. Whoa.
Oh. Did they fall down? There you go. They're not the easiest glasses to wear.
What, baby?
Thinking about coloring, I think.
Oh.
No, this hat doesn't fit you yet. The headband doesn't really either, but you can. Huh?
You're cute.
Here, leave that in there. Huh.
Baby girl, what's for dinner, huh? We got some pancakes. Yeah.
Pancakes! Yeah!
Yeah, good job. As you taking a drink, you getting ready for bed? I think you're just chewing on it and playing with it. Oh, no.
No.
No, I'm actually drinking it. See? See?
I'm gonna get some water. Stumbling around. Huh.
Baby girl. Not quite how that works. Hey, where are you going? Bye!
We're not doing that.
Hey. Are you going tonight?
You tell Daddy night night.
Bye!
Say good night. No!
Yes, it's time to go
You're a
night.
toddler.
It's time to go night. Since you didn't really take a nap.
Yeah.
Night. Bye bye.